How to fix Instagram notifications not showing? This usually happens because of disabled in app settings or phone notification permissions. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Notifications. Make sure Pause All is turned off. If it's enabled, turn it off immediately. Next, open Posts, Stories, and Comments and check your settings. Set notifications to From Everyone or From People I Follow, depending on your preference. If notifications still don't appear, the issue might be in your phone settings. Go back to your home screen and open your phone settings. Find and tap Instagram, then go to Notifications. Make sure notifications are allowed and turned on. After that, restart your phone and open Instagram again to check if notifications are working properly. And that's how you can fix Instagram notifications not showing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.